There's nature happening out there. It's a 24/7 thing, I promise. It's all around us. If you go outside in nature, you can watch insects have sex. You might even see Bambi doing it with Thumper. Or you could just enjoy the sunlight, get some natural vitamin D, go for a hike, do a workout. I'm about to do a CrossFit thing here in town with the community in nature. Mother Nature's masterpieces, whether it be landscape or plants, people, some people. So what are some things that you like to do to envelop yourself in nature, to frolic in nature, to embrace nature? Drop your comments in the comment section and give us all some ideas. I think I dropped a few just now. And be as humorous as you wish or as serious as you wish. And maybe I will add your comments to my website at tomberkenmeyer.com. Got lots of ideas there, tomberkenmeyer.com. All about natural health and residual and passive money. Bye for now.